Life has been pretty hectic lately as we convert our new home on wheels from what it was, how we got it, into something we are proud of. So what better excuse for some time away from the project than a friend's birthday to take our 1986 Toyota 4Runner camping. I built the rear draw setup for our Toyota 4Runner out of aluminium T-slot, basically as a bit of a dry run for whether I'd be comfortable using this material for our full campervan build project. And it worked out really well. The rear seats fold down to allow the bed to slide out, and while it's not a ton of headspace, it's fine for a night or two away, perfect for a weekend getaway. There's a big heavy-duty drawer on the right where we store our water, food and cooking equipment. And a small 30-litre drawer fridge on the left. Realistically, we can fit just enough stuff for a long weekend away. Soon weekends like this will be our day-to-day life as we move into our DIY off-grid campervan for a life on the road. Hit subscribe if you're looking forward to following along on our journey.